And a pleasant good Wednesday morning. It's January the 4th. We have some scattered rain showers today. And yeah, we're going to have flash floods and mudslides tonight and tomorrow. And we're going to expect about 1 to 3 inches of rain across the basin and about 3 to 6 inches across the foothills. But the snow level is going to be pretty high. But yes, happy birthdays going out to Rafael Iglesias, to Kris Bryant, also to Kevin Pillar, and to Ted Lilly. And also the Lakers are in action against the Miami Heat tonight. And how about that big win by the Kings as well? And the Bucks play the Raptors. So NBA is back on Wednesday night, Thursday night after taking some time off. But yes, normally in January we have about 3 inches of rain on average. Like I said earlier, we usually get about 3 inches in January, but the driest January was back in 1976 when we had no rain at all. And the most rain was like almost 15 inches back in '69. That's for LA. And how about for Los Angeles? Yeah, the most daily rainfall we had was like almost 6 inches back in 1956. Daily rainfall. Yeah. In January of '56. Yeah, January 26th. Yeah, we had over 8 inches that month. It was terrible. Well, I hope you have a good hump day. I'll see you soon. I hope the Lakers get a win tonight.